and mountain life, history and stories from the hills, car shows and classic rides, pin-up and vintage rockabilly vibes, plus camping and RV adventures. If you love old school charm, a little grease under your nails, and a whole lot of down-home Kentucky flavor, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Come run the hills with me on this furrow little adventure, especially as we start our adventure for the first time with the Fitchburg furnace, constructed in 1868 through 1869 near Ravenna, Kentucky. The Fitchburg furnace is the world's largest remaining dry stone charcoal iron furnace, standing 81 feet tall, built by the brothers Frank and Fred Fitch for the iron industry boom. It featured dual stacks, but unfortunately closed in 1875 due to the 1873 financial panic and rising competition. Designed by Lexington pharmacists, the brothers, the Fitches, the furnace was built to capitalize on iron demand for railroad expansion. Completed in 1869 by Scottish stonemason Sam Worthley in a massive dual stack structure measuring 81 feet tall, 115 feet long, and 40 feet wide, built entirely from locally quarried sandstone. It is considered one of the top 25 dry stone masonry structures in the world and was considered state-of-the-art at its time. In 1870, the furnace produced 900 tons of pig iron, utilizing a mix of limonite or charcoal and limestone. The surrounding town of Fitchburg grew rapidly, featuring a school, hotel, and multiple businesses. Approximately 1,000 workers were employed, including charcoal makers, miners, and laborers. The Panic of 1873 caused the collapse of iron prices, leading to the furnace's closure by 1875. The discovery of better iron ore in Alabama further reduced the demand of Kentucky iron. The site was later abandoned, but is now managed as an interpretive site by the United States Forest Service. I hope you all enjoyed this, and I hope that you will continue to take and follow me on this journey through the hills of Kentucky and our surrounding states, and enjoy each and every bit just as much as I do. Thank you for joining my new journey. Have a blessed day, folks.